guys, so we just made it to the floating market right now. We're gonna be window shopping, buying souvenirs, roaming around the river, and it should be fun.
Temple and visit to coconut sugar factory to see for happy in your trip.
Oh.
Yeah, bye. Let's go.
Damn, there's a lot of traffic. Traffic on the 405, traffic on the 91. Usual LA in Thailand though. Damn, being tourists. Like me. No está haciendo calor, ¿ah? O sí, un poco. ¿Qué es lo que están haciendo? ¿Pozole? No, ¿verdad? ¿Qué es? ¿Sabes qué es o no? ¿Cómo? ¿Qué es lo que estás haciendo? A ver, yo quiero unos tacos, pero de vegetarian, no carne. Oh my god, yo, this is so freaking crazy. Freaking boats everywhere. Literally, you just like cramped up. You can't even go through. Now I know why they said this was gonna take like 2 hours to do this. Yo, I'm just trying to eat. Honestly, I haven't even had breakfast or lunch. It's like what? Let me check. It's about 10:55 a.m. here, and yeah, I'm pretty hungry. And I only slept for like 3 hours and a half because I wasn't even sleepy at night. But we're gonna see what we eat. Get his beer? You get his beer or no? No, we're good. Thank you. ¿Esa qué es? ¿Esa planta? Esa planta le llama... ¿There's a name? Dragon fruit? Dragon fruit. No. Se le compra para hacer imitación carne. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh wait, just kidding. Bomb, some Thai milk tea boba. What?
You eat on the boat, take away. On the boat, take away.
You already know, we came to the drive-thru, got some pad thai with shrimp. So we're gonna continue roaming around the floating market and seeing what we buy, because you know it's kind of expensive here, you guys. I wouldn't have thought that it was gonna be this expensive, but oh look, tamales. Just kidding. But yeah, cheers. Damn, it's bomb. The moment when you want French fries, but they only have French fried, bruh. Come on. Alright you guys, so we just made it here to Tiger World in Thailand. Obviously, duh, but that's the name of the place that I'm at right now. It's called Tiger World Thailand, and we're gonna be going inside. What they were telling me right now was that these tigers were raised by humans, so they're not like the type of tigers that you would see like in the jungle and stuff like that. So they're very friendly, they won't bite, hopefully they won't. But right now we're just gonna walk around. We're gonna see what they're doing, you know, just see if it's safe or not. But there's apparently 20 tigers in here. We're gonna go inside and actually get the opportunity to feed them and take pictures, so it should be fun. What is it doing? No, it's just licking itself. But anyways, this should be exciting. My dad was actually kind of scared when I first told him about this activity. He wasn't quite sure if he wanted to do it or not, but you know what? I told my dad, yo, we're gonna be in Thailand. We gotta do this. You know, or else you won't have that experience with tigers and stuff like that. But it's gonna be okay. Got this. Got this. This is actually happening, guys. To have a nice view of Bangkok city. Oh my god, I'm puffing y'all because they're literally making us climb these 50 stairs to go all the way up. We're gonna have a nice view of Bangkok, and apparently there's like a glass floor, so you know I gotta take a picture there. So. beach. Now we're here and we're gonna be having a. I'm gonna drop the water. So we're here. We actually just had an authentic Thai dinner, as you guys can see. I like devoured the whole food right now, but there's gonna be some cultural performances going on in about like 15-20 minutes. They're gonna be up on stage right now. We just took a picture with these beautiful ladies right here. Now the lighting is horrible, man, seriously, but this should be fun and very educational. So I'm super excited about this. It's like there's a lot of tourists, a lot of local people here. So yeah. How do you like it so far? ¿Te gusta?
Me encanta. Beautiful place.
¿La comida?
Excellent.
Yeah, the show will be starting like in 15-20 minutes.
Stand up, でセルフィー発動作です。To cry, でクリー泣く動作です。
Alright guys, so we're here at Safari Road. We just got done feeding the giraffes. And oh, look at this little baby right here. Sorry, I don't have no more food. Oh my god, this is so huge. Oh shoot, I almost ate it. What's up? Can you say hi to YouTube? Hi YouTube. Hi YouTube. He's looking at me like, what the f are you talking about? Oh my god, I just realized like there's like a lot of giraffes. You see, they see that I don't have food and they just walk away. What's up? Kiss the camera. Kiss the camera. Anyways, we're gonna be roaming around the park. We're gonna be doing so many activities here. I'm like super tired. I literally slept like 3 hours. But it should be a good day. We're gonna be roaming around the safari park and exploring and seeing many other stuff. Yeah, I'm really tired. Alright. Hi Hi, little guy. Hey. Oh my god. Literally up close and personal.
100 baht feeding giraffe. Food giraffe 100 baht feeding.